What is HIV? Well, here's all you need to know because we believe that knowledge is our power towards prevention. Living with HIV? Don't fret. There are available treatments that will show you that life doesn't have to stop after HIV. So guys, listen up. Our immune system is made out of white blood cells which help fight off infections. And these cells target bacteria and viruses that enter our bodies. Amazing, right? Unlike bacteria though, viruses are smaller and need to attach itself to a host to survive. These hosts are the cells of the human body. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, as the name suggests, is also a type of virus. So what happens when this virus enters the body? How can we get it? Are there symptoms? Let's discuss. HIV can enter our bloodstream through the following infected bodily fluids like blood, semen, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. This means you can get the virus through the following: unprotected sexual activity, sharing of needles, syringes, or any type of equipment used to inject oneself, and mother-to-child transmission through pregnancy, childbirth, and via the mother's breast milk after birth. So yes, anyone can get it. Remember, it's not who you are, it's what you do. There can also be no symptoms for 5 to 10 years because the HIV virus can remain dormant. It is also important to know that HIV and AIDS are different. HIV is the virus that can lead to AIDS. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome is a condition where HIV has caused serious damage to one's immune system. But you know what? There are ways to prevent HIV transmission, and it all starts by protecting oneself and knowing these steps that are easy as your ABCs. A. Abstinence. Simply say no to any sexual activities. B. Be faithful. Stick to one partner. Sweet and safe. C. Correct and consistent condom use. I cannot emphasize how important using protection is. Make sure you're using it correctly. Always read instructions well and use water-based lubricants to prevent tears. D. Don't do drugs and alcohol. This clouds your judgment and increases your participation in any risky activity. E. Education. Learn ways on how to protect and care for yourself. Easy to remember, right? Also, much like diabetes, HIV doesn't have a cure, but it can be treated. It all starts by knowing when to get an HIV test. Assess yourself. If you think you have put yourself at risk, take control and make the best decision by getting yourself tested. If you test HIV positive, don't worry. There is very effective treatment which can keep you healthy and prevent you from passing on HIV to the ones you love. We have options like antiretroviral drugs and therapy that prevent the virus from multiplying. Life doesn't stop after HIV. Come to think of it, you begin to take more control of your life, especially since it's a very controllable condition with early detection. You can go to your nearest HIV testing clinic to get tested and get counseling. Make the best decision for yourself, which is to love yourself. You and I, we are much more powerful than HIV. And our power comes from our knowledge about it. So be in the know. I am Pia Wurtzbach, and I know my status. Time to know yours.